One of the biggest things we've done for MineScape 2021 is improve and build upon our engineering solids. So we've got a new menu option called strip planning, and underneath that we have a function called create. And what this is just a workflow to help the engineers build their engineering solids. And it's step by step, and it's pretty simple to run. It's pretty intuitive. And what you eventually end up getting is the pit shell, the strips, and then the intersection of the strips with the subdivision blocks that you've laid out, or cutter lines that you've laid out. We've also added a node in this MineScape Explorer, so it's easy to manage all this data. So it shows you the design file you're working in along with the meshes that it's created. So if I just turn on these layers just to show you, there's the pit shell. That was generated from the solids. Again, it's watertight. Everything there's no gaps. And then if I turn on the strips, that's been intersected against the pit shell. And ultimately, I'm going to get the little strip blocks. And these are what's reserved, and metadata is assigned to all these solids when they're after reserving. Along with that is we've improved on the reserving. The reserving is fast. It knows how to handle these engineering solids. Now, the other thing is we've also added a new function called interval intersection. So if you've created these solids, these engineering solids, but you actually want to put, I need another bench, I need to subdivide these solids, we've given you that capability to put in any interval you want, and all an interval is bounded by a surface top and a surface bottom, and then it will go ahead and create another set of solids for you that are intersected with that interval. Could be a bench spec, it could be a mining interval that you're interested in. So we've given you that capability also, along with creating solid boundaries from your meshes that you can take into a scheduler.